Hello there, Escambia County Public Schools, and welcome to your Tech Tip in a Flash. Today, we're taking you on a YouTube channel check-in. Our first channel is our Escambia County Public Schools Student Information System channel, and what that means is that these videos were created specifically for focus. Whether you're an admin user or a teacher, you're going to find videos that help you understand focus better and how it works for you. We also have videos with some technology help as well. Now back on this homepage, if you scroll to the bottom, we're going to have some recommended channels. Do you have parents reaching out for focus help? Well, we've got a YouTube channel for that as well, our Focus Parent Portal Resources. So direct them here and encourage them to subscribe. Now our Byte of Tech channel is going to have more technology related information. If you look at these playlists, you're going to see those tech tips in a flash as well as tech talks. So be sure to go ahead and subscribe to this channel as well. When you're logged into Focus, you're going to see our featured content. And what you see depends on your profile. So whether you're an admin or a teacher, you see different videos. And we have those for parents as well. Now speaking of different videos, any idea you have, share it with us. Fill out our content request form. That way we make those videos you need. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out our recommended video here, because that is A Byte of Tech.